I touch it? A potato!
Potato? Huh? Show Mama, Nomi. She's got the camera. Don't run off with it yet. Hold it right there. Let me see. Maybe I can find one more.
Can I find some?
You hold it. Let me see. I'll dig around in here. So what's nice is we can leave these.
Oh, I feel something.
Feel something? Oh, that's a piece of wood.
Oh, I feel it. I feel one.
You do?
Now I feel it.
Okay, let's see if we can get it out of there. Oh, wow! Oh, look, it grew around some stuff. Well, as you guys can see, we've got potatoes. And this is really cool, not because I really want potatoes, which I do. It's cool because I can start making room now. They're almost ready. Yukon Gold's right about 60 days on those, but I like to give my potatoes a little bit longer. They get a little bit fatter, they soak up everything, the plant completely dies and everything. And I've got some plants over here, some potatoes, that are just about ready. But we're getting close to fall, so I want to make room for a little fall garden right over here. I've got a little 6 by about 10 foot spot right over here that I'm going to show you. And I need to dig up some potatoes, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do that, and here's that giant, weird zucchini. It's supposed to be an egg squash, like the size of smaller than a baseball, and that's what I get. But I've got some summer squash over here that I'm going to have to pick. that's pretty much it. Got a nice little spot right here for some broccoli and some cauliflower and arugula, all kinds of good salad greens too. And I'm sure right at the time I start filming, the neighbor's cutting the field behind me. But let me get up here on the road and show you. So I got a little spot for winter vegetable gardens. Different things in there. Took out some potatoes, made some room for some vegetables. Alright, so you guys just seen me do all of this right here. But I had a little spot right here that seemed pretty easy, so I just did that also too. So I just kind of loosened it up a little bit, pulled some of the weeds out of there, and got that spot there ready. And that spot. So next thing all we need, seeds. The only downside to growing potatoes and wood chips, and I wouldn't really consider this to be a downside so much, but you can see where each little wood chip was, where the potato just grew around it. And yeah, there's the wood chip back there. It just grows around the wood chips. So, not bad for the home garden, but if you're trying to sell them, I'm sure people would look at you kind of funny. I wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching, guys.